as a special ingredient.
It's like Memorial Drive. Yeah,
Yep.
Memorial Drive. Okay. And some guy. So she's jogging, and then some guy. What? He like kept her or something?
He exposed himself.
Like another jogger just dropped his
That's what I
pants.
said. In daylight, right? But
Yeah.
I'm like, how does that even happen? Because he was jogging.
We're gonna get hands-on with these cars in just a moment, but we gotta wait our turn. And apparently, this time slot is reserved for none other than Paris Hilton's.
Hey Google.
About take the second exit on State Route 24 Ashmore Road.
Oh! Holy fuck! You fucking idiot! I got that on camera.
Are they okay in the car?
But it barely, I mean, I just invoiced them. Like it wasn't even.
Oh, what the fuck? God damn it. I fucking ran a red light. Oh shit.
I won't go anymore.
Fuck, why are we going to this shit?
Yeah, it's fair. They last left.
Damn. Nope. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, you okay? Oh, baby. He ran that lot. He ran that shit.
Where's he?
Dude, what the? Yeah, the stop sign.
Maybe I'll nap on. Protect your home and save on heating and cooling costs with Armstrong energy efficient windows and phone reviews. Today for a free estimate. Phone 777-1234. That's Armstrong.
I hit that wire.
That wire.
Oh, oh shit. Oh shit.
Got it down. Stop.
Not specific to this. This is just the latest example. And it started, my attempt at explaining this starts last night. I was not watching the rally. Don't tell anybody. Don't anybody tell